To create a template using Robinhood Legend, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Templates section. Here you will find a variety of pre-built templates to choose from. But for this tutorial, we will be creating a custom template from scratch. First, click on the Create Template button and choose a name for your template. This name should be descriptive and easy to understand, as it will be used to identify your template in the future. Next, select the type of template you want to create, such as a portfolio or a watch list. Now, add the necessary components to your template, such as stocks, ETFs, or other securities. You can do this by searching for the ticker symbol or by browsing through the available options. As you add each component, you will be able to customize its settings, such as the position size and the stop loss. Once you have added all the necessary components, you can customize the layout and design of your template. This includes choosing the colors, fonts, and other visual elements that will be used to display your data. You can also add annotations and other notes to provide additional context and insights. After you have completed your template, click on the Save button to save your changes. Your template will now be available for use in your Robinhood Legend account, and you can apply it to your portfolio or watch list with just a few clicks. To get the most out of your template, it is a good idea to regularly review and update it to ensure that it remains relevant and effective. This may involve adjusting the position sizes, updating the stop losses, or adding new components to your template. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a custom template using Robinhood Legend that meets your specific needs and helps you to achieve your investment goals. Remember to always use your templates in conjunction with your own research and analysis, and never rely solely on a template to make investment decisions.